First, you're going to need to make a note sheet. So take out a sheet of paper, fold it like you see in the picture, and label it with the 4 boxes. One for definition, one for characteristics, one for examples, one non-example. And in the middle, draw the rectangle that has the term that we're going to study, passive voice. A sentence is passive when the object of an action, or the verb, becomes the subject of the sentence. For example, in this sentence, the road was crossed by the chicken. The object of the verb was crossed is the road. So the verb is was crossed, and the object, what was crossed? The road was crossed. But that is in the position of the subject of the sentence. But who was really doing the action? The chicken. The chicken was crossing the road. But that is at the end of the sentence. To explain a little better, let's take a look at the characteristics. So the characteristics of passive voice is that it often contains a form of the be verb. So be verbs are verbs such as is, am, was, were, are, has been, have been, will be, will have been, or being. Those are all what we call be verbs, or forms of be. Passive voice contains a form of be, but it's also followed by a past participle, which is a verb that's in past tense, and that often they end in ed. It doesn't have to end in an ed, because remember, some verbs, the past tense, don't end in ed. But it has to be a past tense verb combined with one of the forms of be. So a good rule to remember is the form of to be plus a past participle verb equals a passive voice. So let's look at that sample sentence again. The road was crossed by the chicken. Was is a form of be. Crossed is a past participle verb, or in other words, a past tense verb ending in ed, or just a past tense verb. So I know that because a form of be